everyone, namaste, welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to do an unboxing. As you can see from the title, I'm gonna unbox my Euphorbia box for the month of June. Yes, it's already June, like half of the year is already gone. Time just flies like anything. Anyways, so without wasting any time, I'm just gonna open and see what products I got this time. Alright, so this is how the box looks like for the month of June. It's like a normal usual beige cardboard box. So I'm just gonna open and see. Alright, so recently they have started sending the really nice pouches. So I think this time also they have sent me a pouch, and it's a pouch in this kind of like a bag. So I'm just gonna see. Alright, so this is like a black pouch. This is how it looks like, and it says Selfie Queen. Woo. And on the right hand side down bottom here, they have their like logo of Euphorbia box. So I'm just gonna open the pouch and see what I got inside. Alright, so first I'm just gonna take out the info cards. Okay, so this is the info card, and it says Selfie Queen itself. And back here you can see all the product details. So yeah, let's dig into the product. Alright, so the very first thing I can see is Magic Dust Fresh Natural Broad Spectrum Sunscreen Lotion, and it is with SPF 50. I love to wear sunscreen which are more than 40, so I'm just gonna wear it. I'm just gonna try it. And this one retails for $959. That's quite expensive, and the amount of product I'm getting here is 60 ml, so definitely we're going to try this. Alright, so the next thing I see is by Aaranyam, and this is Safran Day Cream, and it's a Detaning cream. Okay, I'm just gonna use it on my forehead. My forehead tans a lot, and the amount of product I'm getting here is 50 grams, and this one retails for 599 Indian rupees. Alright. Oh, I have a discount coupon. Yeah, I have a discount coupon here for Aaranyam Natural Cosmetics. And then I see earrings. Ooh, they are like antique golden, color. And this is how they look. They are so pretty. I'm just gonna wear it and see how they look. So this is how they're looking on me. Oh my god, I love the earrings. They're so pretty. And these earrings retails for 150 Indian rupees. Alright, I'm just left with one last product, which is this one, really nicely bubble wrapped. Let's open this up. So this is by Beufly Paris, and this is a blusher. Wow. And the shade is pink. Yeah, the shade is pink, and this one retails for 349 Indian rupees. This is how the shade is. It's a normal cool toned pink. Yeah, and it looks more of those blusher which I ordered from Cuffs and Lashes for a very, very cheap price. Yeah, shade kind of looks similar to me. So that was it for June Euphorbia box, and the total worth for the box comes out to be 2057 rupees, and you are getting this box in much lesser price. And rest all the information about the Euphorbia box in the description box, so go check it out. Subscribe for yourself if you like. I am really excited about the earrings. I really loved them. The second thing I'm excited is the sunscreen lotion and the day tanning cream. I am not much interested in the blusher because it kind of seemed like a cheap quality blusher, because I already have similar kind of blusher. Yeah. Anyways, so that's it for the Euphorbia box. And yeah, if you're new to my channel, watching me for the first time, then do hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to get notified for my future videos. And yes, that's it for the video. I will see you soon. Till then, take care, stay beautiful and stay healthy.